we're going to be learning about if-else statements. If-else statements. If-else statements. Okay, so when we are learning in the block, okay, for us to move down here, you are in the block before. Just click on the Python aspect of it, so it will move you down to the Python aspect of it. So this time around we are learning if-else statement. If-else statement helps us to take decision. Maybe there are two options before us, then we need to take one decision. Okay, take for instance, you sent your child to get you some food or buy you fruits from the market, and you said, please, if you get to the market, if you find apple, buy apple for me. But if you could not find apple, then get orange. So that is an option. So when you get to the market, you will first look for apple. If you cannot find apple, then he knows that he need to buy an orange. Okay, so if you do not give that child an option, when you get to the market and he could not find apple, he will come back. So also with the system, if you do not give him an option, he will just throw it in the towel and it will not know what to do. Now we are going to use that if statement here. First of all, we are going to use a variable. I'm sure you should remember that a variable is a container. It's an empty container that stores value. So I'm going to ask the system to get value. Okay, say for instance, I'm going to ask them to supply any number. So I'll say inputs and then open another function, quotes, kindly enter a number. Okay, kindly enter a number. Okay, so that means the person will enter a number and the number will be stored inside this variable called num. Okay, I will now say if. So this is if statement. So it's already telling you it's an expression. There must be an expression here and the pass will be here. If num, so that num, I want to put it inside a function. A function is that bracket. Okay, if none is if I divide that none with 2 and there is no remainder, so that's exactly what I just wrote now. If I divide the number that anybody supply with 2 and there is no remainder, that means the remainder is 0. The remainder is equal to 0. Then print in the function and it quotes the number is even number. Okay, so that is to say that the number is even number. Please notice that when I put a column here, when I put a column in this place, okay, the system automatically jump here. So in fact, once you enter if statement, it automatically give you a column. So it will jump here, and then when you come here, we want to write the else statement. If I divide the number with 2 and the remainder is 0, then print the number is even number. Else print the number is odd number. Okay, so we are done with that. So let's run it and see how it look like. Click on run here, click on run. So it's telling me to enter a number. Kindly enter a number. So here let me enter 40 for example, and click on running, or click on the mark. Okay, it's not giving me what I want. let me start again, 40 and press enter key. Okay, you say the number